In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create workflow on Freshsales. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Freshsales account and you are on the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, look for the admin settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click that gear to open the admin area. From here, find and select Manage Workflows. Depending on your Freshsales layout and plan, this option may appear under a section like Teams and Territories or Automations. The goal is the same. You want to reach the page where you can view and manage your existing workflows. Once you are on the Workflows page, look for the Create Workflow button and click it. This starts a new workflow setup where you will define what the workflow is for and how it should run. Next, fill in the basics. First, give your workflow a clear, descriptive name. Choose something that helps you understand its purpose later, especially if you plan to build more than one workflow. Then select the module the workflow should run on. Common choices include contacts, accounts, or deals. This part matters because the fields, triggers, and actions you can use will depend on which module you pick. After that, set the trigger. This defines when the workflow should start. You can choose to run it when a record is created, when a record is updated, or based on a specific date and time. Pick the option that matches the moment you want the automation to begin. For example, record created is useful for immediate follow-up, while record updated is better when you want automation tied to changes in a record. Now add conditions. Click Add Condition to define which records should be included. Conditions help you avoid affecting every record in the module. For example, you might apply the workflow only when a lead stage is new. If you add more than one rule, you can combine them using AND and OR logic and group them so the workflow behaves exactly as intended. Then add actions. This is what Freshsales will do when the trigger happens and the conditions are met. Choose from actions like updating a field, sending an email, adding a task, or triggering a webhook. Keep actions aligned with your process so the workflow stays clean and predictable. Finally, review everything you set up, and when it looks correct, click Enable to make the workflow live. That covers everything you need to know.